we use be likely plus infinitive to show that something in the future is very probable. For example, her manner of talking is likely to irritate a lot of people, which translates, her manner of talking will probably irritate a lot of people. The bank transfer is likely to take up to 10 business days, which translates, the bank transfer will probably take up to 10 business days. The opposite of likely to is unlikely to, which means that something in the future won't probably happen. For example, they are unlikely to arrive by 6 p.m. The traffic on Friday is just horrible. They are unlikely to arrive by 6 p.m., which translates, they probably won't arrive by 6 p.m. We can use be sure plus infinitive to say that something is definitely going to happen. We are absolutely sure that something is going to happen. It's imminent. For example, this new exam schedule is sure to annoy many students, which translates, I am absolutely confident that the new exam schedule will annoy many students. Look at the car. It's all scratched. Dad is sure to find out sooner or later, which translates, I am very confident that Dad will definitely find out that the car is scratched sooner or later. We can also use be sure to as an imperative form. You can say, give me a call when you arrive at the hotel. Or be sure to give me a call when you arrive at the hotel, which is the same. These two imperative sentences have identical meanings. You can say, when the auditors arrive, be sure to cooperate with them, which is the same as, when the auditors arrive, cooperate with them. That's it for now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.